Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find Swift code of Bank of Ceylon. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find the Swift code of Bank of Ceylon, the first thing that you can do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar simply type in Bank of Ceylon Swift code. Then once you hit search, the Swift code will be displayed on the top, which is BCEYLKLX002, which is the Swift code of the Bank of Ceylon, Sri Lanka. Now you can also tap on the given link right there to know the full details of the bank by giving the bank code, country code, location code, and branch code as well. The next method that you can use is through internet banking or mobile banking. Simply open up your app or log into your BOC smartphone banking on the browser by simply tapping on the first link that is shown to you, and on the top you'll find the login option. Simply tap on that, and now here enter in your username, then your password, and then tap on login. Now once logged into your account, here what you need to do is go to the account details by finding the option, and on selecting it you'll find option that says international payment instructions or bank statement or wire transfers, and inside there you'll find the Swift OBIC code. And if you are not sure, you can also ask your bank or recipient for the exact Swift OBIC code by calling the number of the customer care. And you can also check a bank statement or international payment instructions, which sometimes include a Swift code as well, by simply contacting the Bank of Ceylon support to confirm the correct Swift for your branch. If you don't have a branch specific code, using BCEYLKLX is usually acceptable for head office routing. Always verify with the recipient before making the transfer, as wrong codes can delay or bounce payments. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.